In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share sales content with user and teams in HubSpot. We'll start right in a web browser. Go to your preferred search engine and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot site, then sign into your account. Be sure you're logging into the right portal where your sales content is stored. If you don't see the options I mentioned next, it might be due to permissions on your account, so just keep that in mind. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse to reveal the main navigation and locate the Sales section. Inside Sales, click on Documents. This is the HubSpot Documents tool, the place where your team stores and shares sales assets like one-pagers, pitch decks, and PDFs. From here, you can manage who on your team can access specific files, which helps keep content organized and secure. Find the document you want to share. Hover your mouse over that document row to reveal more options. You'll see an Actions menu appear. Click Actions, then select Manage Access. This opens the sharing controls for that specific document, and this is where you'll define exactly who can view and use it. In the Access panel, choose the option labeled Specific Users or Teams. This tells HubSpot you don't want the document open to everyone. You want to target access precisely. Now, select the team or the individual users you want to share the document with. You can search by name to move faster if you have a large list. Take a second to double-check your selections. Sharing only with the right people helps you maintain version control and prevents clutter across the wider organization. When you're finished selecting your recipients, click Save. Your changes take effect immediately. The chosen users and teams will now see this document in their documents library and can use it in their outreach. If plans change later, you can return to this exact spot, Actions, Manage Access, to add or remove users and teams at any time. That's the full process. Search for HubSpot and log in, navigate to Sales, open Documents, hover over your file, click Actions, choose Manage Access, pick specific users or teams, select who needs it, and save. Keeping your sharing targeted not only protects sensitive content, but also ensures your sales reps always know which materials are approved and ready to send. Thanks for watching. And now you're ready to confidently share sales content with the right users and teams in HubSpot.